This video brought to you by Prehistoric Scenes at prehistoricscenes.net. Hello everyone, John here with an update on my Prehistoric Scenes project. As many of you know, I've been working for the last couple of years to produce some Prehistoric Scenes kits, and we're closing in on it. So my hope is that I will be making an announcement this Saturday, which I believe, if I'm not mistaken, if I got my dates right, is going to be July 25th. And this is going to be an announcement about an upcoming Kickstarter campaign for the Prehistoric Scenes kit. So I'm not going to go into too much detail right now. I'll go into more detail on Saturday, but just to give you a little preview, you probably, if you're been following on Facebook, have seen some of the test shots that I've gotten done and some of the builds related to that. But here's some things that I've been also working on. Let me just turn the camera over here. So I've been testing the boxes. This one's got all kinds of spelling errors, so I've got a new test run of boxes that I should be getting in the next couple of weeks. I have been, and these are going to be nice boxes. Now, this is for the 1/13 scale. There will also be a 1/24 and a 1/36, and they'll have smaller boxes. I have also been working on the instructions. So, they will be twice this size for the 1/13 scale, and that's probably going to be printed on 11 by 17 paper. But Joanna Koberska has done a wonderful job on getting the images for the instructions done, and there will be some paint references. This one I'll talk about here talks about doing a water effect, and I've done a test run on that. Here's an example. This is not the actual kit, but this is a clear resin water effect that you'll be able to do with the Austroraptor kit. So we've got that going on. Real excited about that. And there will be some additional products. One of the things I'm working on are these magnets, refrigerator magnets. There will be a limited run of these. And so there's a whole bunch of other details I will get to on Saturday. But yeah, it's getting closer. So real excited to share that with you. Stay tuned, more to come.